Time to do it.
Getting up before sunrise seems so easy when others do it. You see, I need to leave my soft and fluffy warm bed life. Also, as a married man, I should be moving like a ninja. I cannot wake the wife from her well-deserved sleep. Whole things feels like forever though. But once you are out, whole world is still sleeping. Although I cannot explain how it feels standing next to the ocean at dawn. Extraordinary and peaceful. Then I start scouting. Time to search for that composition, the photo. Search for a location of wonder, that beautiful and glorious color. Sometimes there are success, and sometimes there are frustration.
The sun hasn't risen yet. You can see a little bit of pink tint on the top of the sky with the rock and the ocean. That would be a perfect composition. Problem, I don't have a wide angle lens. I have a telephoto. So I have to go somewhere there, a bit farther down to get this shot. I don't know how I'm gonna do that.
And sometimes you take extraordinary risk. Whatever it takes. Lucky for me, I'm still not far from my local.
So our previous location was somewhere there. Problem is that because I don't have a telephoto lens, so I am currently under a bridge. The waves are falling. I just have to make sure that my equipment doesn't get watered. So I'm gonna go back. I think I leave it somewhere there. So the composition from here would be something different. Would be that sun hasn't come out, it's about to touch the cloud, and I have the wave and the really nice mystic background. We are not here for the digital photography, we are more here for the film photography. So I'm just gonna take a quick shot, try to assess my compositions, see how that looks like, and if I like it, I will stick with the photo. But for now, I have zero interest to lose the first light. This is a disaster. So I've got really nice rock, waves, and the edges of the island. That would look cool if I can pull this one off. So I'm gonna stick with that one first. So I'll take a shot. So ISO 200 as usual. Only reason why I'm gonna keep in ISO 200 so that it matches my objective with the film. So it looks very good. I'm gonna quickly change the lens, camera, and then change it with my film so that I can get on with it quickly before I lose the light. Let's go. So there goes my film. Boy, this place is dangerous. I hope the water doesn't not gonna hit my camera. So there you go, my film and my battery. So this time I'm not going to make any mistake. I'm going to put the battery first because every single time I have to do the same thing all over again. That's not very practical at all. I'm not gonna open the cap first because problem with the opening the cap is that I'm gonna risk dust. My camera and lens are locked and loaded. So I'm gonna put my 7D inside the bag for now, for safety. Normally I would leave it outside, but at this time, at this environment, doesn't look very good. All right, we are back on game. Now, let me show you the composition through the viewfinder. Clearly, the shot looks pretty freaking awesome. And as you know from the last video, the 10-second timer is basically a P mode. So I have minimum control. So I have to press the shutter speed, and then while I'm keeping it, I have to press this button and then change my exposure. Time to do it. So I got my shot I actually wanted. However, I don't know if you can see it right in front there. I know the sky is overexposed, but I have a really nice cloud and the ocean at the foreground. I think that would look good. So I'm gonna give it a go. Second timer is a pain in the butt because I have to press many buttons at the same time. There you go. I hope in 10-second time there's a wave should hit. I think I'm done for the day. You know, this is why I like this island, because you know, sometimes I remind myself that I take a lot of things for granted. Well, I should appreciate more. Well, hopefully you like the video, and I'm gonna show you the photos in a moment. I need to drink some water. You're gonna see the photos, so let me know what you think. This is gonna be a good comparison between the digital and the film anyway, which is not really the intention, but because I'm taking almost the same photos in two different camera, digital and the film format, I think that would be a good opportunity for you, even for me, to see the difference between each other, right? So let me know what you think, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. Join my Facebook group and Reddit group where you can post your photos in film and I can do some critic. You know, that would be fun. Anyway, look after yourself, enjoy the photos, and I'll see you in the next video. Arrivederci.